So here's a program that shows us the path of the sun. So let's look at, say, December. Okay, so this is December, and let's just say it's the 5th of December, and our latitude, say New York City, is 40.7 degrees latitude north. Okay, you want to see what it looks like, the path of the sun in the northern hemisphere. Okay, now notice sunset time is at 4:36 standard time. Alright, so let's just see the path of the sun. Okay, so you can see the path of the sun is low in the hemisphere. Now let's look at the path of the sun, say 3 months later. So let's look at March. Okay, March, and also on the 5th day of March. So it's going to be March. Okay, it will be on the 5th. Our latitude is about 40.7 degrees latitude north. Okay, this will be the northern hemisphere. Okay, now notice sunset time is 5:38 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and now let's follow the path of the sun. Now, how would you compare the path of the sun on December 5th to the path of the sun on March 5th? Okay, so let's just repeat the path of the sun again. Let's look at the path of the sun on the current date. Okay, so the month is May, and the current date is the 7th. Again, our latitude is about 40.7 degrees latitude north. We want to know the path of the sun for the northern hemisphere. Now, sunset time is about 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so now let's compare and contrast the path of the sun to the two previous dates and the present date. Okay, so one more time. Let's observe the path of the sun. Okay, so how would you compare the path of the sun and the sunset time compared to the previous dates of December 5th and then March 5th? Now let's take it 2 months from now. Okay, say July. So the month again will be 7th July. On the 7th of July, okay, latitude 40.7 degrees latitude north. Again, northern hemisphere. Okay, sunset time is 7:24 Eastern Standard Time. Alright, and let's check out the path of the sun on July 7th. Now, how does that compare to the previous month? Now, if we were to look at, say, October 7th, how would the path of the sun change? Okay, now let's look at the path of the sun, say, October 7th. Okay, so that would be on the 10th, or the 10th month of the year, the day, again, the 7th. 40.7 is our latitude. That would be latitude north. Okay. Oh, what do you notice about the sunset time? The sunset time is at approximately 5:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, what do you think the path of the sun is going to be now, considering what we've seen before? Alright, so let's take a look. So, compare the path of the sun on October the 7th to the path of the sun, say, July the 7th.